How's it going, guys? Owen McKinney with Rodger That Home Improvements. We are a GAF certified roofing contractor here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And today we're going to talk about warranties. There are 5 warranties offered by GAF. 3 of them you have to be certified to install. The other 2, anybody, if you go purchase the shingles from Lowe's, can offer them. However, there's some stipulations to that. In the first warranty, the shingle and accessory limited warranty, the shingles are covered for lifetime. The accessories are covered for 40 years. Now, this is just manufacturer defects. There is no workmanship coverage. There is no wind speed coverage. They do not cover the disposal cost, the tear off cost, but the warranty is transferable for free. The second one is the roofing system limited warranty. It is lifetime on the shingles and the accessories. However, the upfront coverage on both of these warranties is only 10 years, and that does not include tear off, and it does not include disposal, only on the materials themselves. You do not have to be certified to install either of those 2. However, both the warranties are transferable. The main warranty that we offer and we sell a lot of is these GAF Systems Plus warranties. That's lifetime manufacturer coverage on the shingles, lifetime coverage on the accessories. That term is 50 years. And for 50 years, they will cover 100% of the materials. They will, however, not pay for the disposal costs, but they will pay for the tear off and the reinstallation if there's any issues as far as manufacturer defect. Premature delamination, you have stain guard coverage for 25 years. And with this warranty, you do have a 15-year unlimited wind speed as long as you install it up to manufacturer specifications. Now, this roofing system, Systems Plus, Silver Pledge, and Golden Pledge, what they all have in common is you have to not only purchase the shingles, but you have to purchase 3 qualifying accessories. That's starter shingles, hip and ridge shingles, ventilation, underlayment. You have to have 3 of those plus the field shingle in order to be qualified for these warranties. However, Systems Plus, Silver Pledge, Golden Pledge, you have to be a certified contractor. Now, with Systems Plus, there is no workmanship coverage guaranteed by GAF. However, I do provide a 10-year workmanship warranty with the Systems Plus warranties. However, if I were to go out of business, something happens to me, I move away, the only things that would be covered is the 50 years on the shingles and the accessories. The next warranty, which we've just been promoted to be able to offer, is Silver Pledge. That's all of the same terms. Lifetime, 50 years, 100% coverage. However, the main difference is GAF backs our company with a 10-year workmanship warranty. So if we do anything wrong, if it's high nails, weave the valley wrong, make a mistake somewhere, GAF will come out and pay for it 100% out of their pocket to fix the issue. The last one is Golden Pledge. That's Master Elite status, which we're working diligently to achieve, and it is lifetime, as well as the workmanship warranty is for 25 or 30 years based on the products that you install. And that is just unbelievable. For 25 years, if it comes back that we installed something wrong, GAF will pay out of their pocket for us or another certified or Master Elite contractor to come out and replace the roof. There's a lot of other companies out there that offer extended warranties. However, there are exclusions. If the shingles are installed wrong, they're not covered. If it's a named storm, they're not covered. And a lot of their warranties are prorated. So let's just say the value of your roof is $15,000. They take the amount of life that you got out of the roof, they divide it by that, and they only pay you the remaining balance. So it's important to choose a company and a contractor that is dedicated to their trade, as well as willing to stand 100% behind their products and offer you an extreme peace of mind. One thing that GAF has that no other company has is the Good Housekeeping Seal of Protection. The Good Housekeeping program, they only sign with one company in each trade. And what that means is if GAF were to go under as a company, which is not going to happen, they're the oldest and the largest shingle manufacturer in history, they will honor those warranties for an additional 3 years. So if GAF were to go under, you would have the ability to call somebody, get an inspection for 3 years and make sure that your roof is in still tip-top shape while it's still covered. So if you have any roofing needs, window needs, vinyl siding needs, please don't hesitate to give us a call, 910-391-1749. We'd love to assist you with that.